Fragile Fortunato
Oh, I love
has
that one,
brittle
too.
bone disease. And Fragile, she's broken many bones in her life. It doesn't take much contact at all to break a bone in her body. Yet she decides she's going to continue to live her life, she continues to drive, remain active. One day she's at the grocery store parking lot, and hapless Henderson backs his car into Fragile's car, ever so slightly taps her, going less than 5 miles an hour. No damage to either car, but Fragile is holding on to the steering wheel and somehow manages to fracture her right arm, the radius bone, the one that's the big bone in your forearm. Does Fragile have a case against hapless?
That would be really tough. That's tough. I hope not, because, I mean, she's still driving with this disease that she would know in advance that it might make it easy for her to get
No
hurt.
damage to the car. How do you
No
prove he hit
damage
her?
to the car. That too. Less than 5 miles an hour. Is it?
Let's assume we know he made contact with the car. It's on tape.
You get me upset things. I think these poor people are. They're not real.
Well, she's got this disease, and she could have had a broken arm before that happened, even.
No, she should not have a case. She should not have a case against him, is what I say.
Oh, you meanie.
You look at me, I'm terrible.
So 2 no's or 1 no?
I'm a no.
Okay. I think
does.
you're both wrong.
She does. I knew it.
Fragile
She
is what
So
we
why?
call under the law, she is the eggshell plaintiff, okay? So under the law, if you're negligent and it causes harm to somebody, you have to take your victim as you find him. Now think about Myles Garrett is in his car and flips his car over, and he's able to pretty much walk away unscathed. If someone had caused that accident, well, they would be lucky that happened. But if the person they hit has some kind of pre-existing condition which makes them vulnerable to injury, it's on the person who caused the accident.
I mean, he did do it. He did hit indoor. So.
But you raise a lot of good questions as to, well, did she break her bone before she got there? Is it really caused by the accident? And those are all things that the jury would have to decide. And that's, again, why you call us
That's
as
why you
soon
need a
as
lawyer.
possible. Don't
Right.
wait, because these are the kinds of things we got to dig into early to protect the record, nail down the evidence.
Take pictures, save things, save the shoes, all that
Absolutely.
stuff.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you, Tom.
Okay.
It's always a pleasure.
job
MerrimanLegal.com is their email. Tom Merriman, I should say Tom@MerrimanLegal.com is their email address, and MerrimanLegal.com is his website. Give him a call, too, if you need to. He'll help you out with any case you have.